On this screen, you'll see that the student has already completed the quiz. This is set as a teacher-marked quiz, so it is now awaiting marking by the teacher. I will now exit the student view and log in as a teacher. As a teacher, you will see your class groups listed on the dashboard. Select the relevant class group. Within this class group, locate the assigned quiz. Click Open to access the assignment submitted by students. To view student submissions, click on the Monitor icon. From the Monitor page, find the student whose response you want to mark. Click the student's name to open their quiz submission. There are multiple ways to mark, including converting the response to a PDF using the three dots menu for Mark as PDF. To do e-marking, highlight the specific parts of the student's answer. The feedback toolbar will appear automatically. You can choose from underline sticky note, voice comment, or image comment. For instance, I will underline this section in green to draw the student's attention. If the underline isn't enough, click the 3DOT menu and select Edit. Then add a comment explaining what the student can improve. Since this is a teacher-marked quiz, comments should be constructive and specific. You can also add math equations, chemical symbols, or drawings as needed. To demonstrate a drawing, click on the Drawing tool, sketch your input, and click Next. The drawing will be sent to the student as a feedback attachment. To give voice feedback, click on the microphone icon, speak, and click Close to save the clip. Next, tag your feedback with an appropriate error label. For example, missing capitalization. Back at the student's view, find the assignment and expand the comment card. As a student, I can click on the magnifying glass icon to see the teacher's feedback in detail. Then, I can add a response, such as, "Thank you very much, teacher. I understand now." This allows for a coherent space for discussing on the same context. This enables a feedback loop between teacher and student. Once you're done marking, simply exit the page. All changes will be saved automatically.